goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy. When we're in too deep. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain.
What is going on, everybody? It is Buschfishin. Today I have a super exciting episode. We're actually going to be starting a new series, but I'll get on with that later. If you guys are new here, my name's Buschfishin. I'm based in Wisconsin. I fish for pretty much everything, and I tend to catch some big fish. And I also do some outboard repair videos and a bunch of boat videos, a lot of stuff, everything related to fishing. And this channel is like mainly fishing, not much else. So if you guys are interested in any of that, make sure to subscribe. And let's get on to today's video. I'm going to get on my way to the spot, and I'll explain a little more about the series, and then we're gonna catch some big fish today, boys, so stay tuned. Alright, everybody, it is a beautiful day out. It's about 50 degrees. There's a little bit of wind, but I want to talk to you guys about the new series that's actually going to be starting. This is going to be the first episode. I have to give credit to my friend Ratchy, because I was talking to him and we were talking about how we catch all of these huge, massive fish out of these tiny little drainage ditch ponds that people would never think had fish. So then he had the idea to make an episode of video called Ditch Monsters, and we just show people that we can catch these huge fish out of these tiny ponds that they would never expect. And then I kind of had the idea to turn it into a series. And what I love about this is we can do it in the winter, we can do it in the summer. I'm always fishing these tiny ponds, and I always get surprised with the huge fish I caught. 2 videos back or something, I caught a 33-inch pike. My whole sled just slid. 2 videos back, I just caught a 33-inch pike. Ratchy caught a 38-inch pike in a pond that's got a max depth of 3 feet deep. I've got some huge 4-pound bass bed fishing. I've got some monster pike, a 35-inch a couple videos back. Just huge fish out of these tiny ponds, so that's what the series is going to be about. We're going to go to a bunch of these tiny ponds, catch some big fish out of it, and show you guys that there are giant fish in places you might not think. So, I'm going to get over to the spot. Ratchy's already out there, and let's see if we can get on some big fish, boys. I'll see you in a little bit. More ice here. Oh, jeez. I can't even see my jig. Before there was one mark when they drilled it, now it's... Oh yeah! There are fish in here. On the ice. Ratchy, we cooking them?
You know, due to the high levels of PVC and DDT and ABC from everyone's lawn in the area, no.
Yes.
No, that'll stop my growth. There's crappie in here too.
And perch.
Those are all fish. It was like instant. Oh, he's on me.
Oh god, they're little. They're little. They can't eat that thing.
They're right below the hole. Oh my god.
Don't rip my eye.
Don't
rip my eye.
I actually got bit.
Someone bring a tip up.
Another one. Another dandy.
You want to get on them, Kevin?
No.
You sure it's on fire? Gotta keep the the school fired up.
14 frickin'. There's a red one that glows.
That felt better.
Okay. Oh, what is it? A
Green sunfish. It's a hybrid.
Jeez, I can make a video over here. I should grab my camera.
Microfishing. Microfishing video.
Put them down the other hole. Okay. Keep my school going. Jesus. Nope.
All right, move holes. They gotta get bigger. We gotta get bigger.
40-inch pike. Oh yeah, that's a better one. You sure no one else wants to get on these?
12-inch crown comes out. Thanks, sir.
There you go.
Follow. Look at him follow.
You can't see anything.
You got him.
Yep. Where was he? He's got to be right below the hole. Oh, I think we got a flag. We do. We'll leave this stuff here.
Okay, yeah. I can't see that far.
Has it moved?
It's off to the side. That's straight down.
Wait.
Oh yeah.
Will, come here.
Holy shit. You got him.
Nice to
We
slow
got
at the
it.
hole. Slow at the hole.
Oh!
Yeah, buddy, get him over the hole.
Woo! Finally caught him! Yeah, let's go. Yeah, look.
Okay. We're good.
Can I release him?
Go ahead, put it back. I got the release video. Okay, well that was a quick video on the release.
Oh! Oh, Bud's on. That's a good one. Double up! We're freaking double.
Alrighty.
Get in here for the picture, Bud. I'll take a screen grab.
Oh, this?
Well, you can lip it. Okay, we're good.
Look at his top mouth.
Oh, someone set the hook too hard.
Ooh, what's? Ooh, I caught a shiner. I caught a shiner.
Oh, let's put it on the tip up.
Oh, it's a fatty.
That's a unit, dude. Wait, let's put it on the tip up.
Should we exchange
Swap
this?
them, yeah.
Swap them?
That's probably they're eating. Giant.
Dude,
Oh, I thought he-
show it to the camera. Oh,
Whoa!
that's a jumbo.
Is that the biggest shiners like the one at the bait store?
Yeah, this is what she was selling. 14 bucks a dozen.
Gold shiner.
Holy
I
crap.
said, what else you got?
If we had plastic, so it'd be mint.
No, not that I don't trust the twins, but that flag was 10 feet from them.
Oh my god, dude, every second. This is literally the best fishing I've ever had. This one's better.
What if this is like on Cornell?
That'd be sick.
Just Cornell's infested with bluegills.
Just pulling in 7, 8 inches. It always seems
Now it is.
Oh, unit. Oh, Richie! Richie!
Big gill.
Oh, I can't see her. That's why.
Have a look at this. Okay, okay.
Good.
You eating them?
No.
Oh. Unit.
I would. That would have made the knife last night. We got a flag?
Grab the camera! Reggie! Reggie! What the f?
How is
He's ripping still.
Oh. Yes.
Nothing.
Oh. Oh.
Maybe that fall through then.
Oh, he's still on.
Oh.
He's still on.
Maybe he swam right at you. And you wanted to stop all the time. Oh. Wow.
This is on the 20-pound leader. Actually, this is big.
This, I don't know how long this has been like this.
This is a
Probably
big.
the other side of the lake.
This is on the 20-pound leader.
Oh, he's been to the... Ooh. Wow.
2-finger technique. Big pike.
Oh.
Huge pike, Ratchy.
No, been like that. Come through the hole and you say something.
Ratchy, this might be that 38.
Boy. I don't think this thing can fit.
That's not a 38, but that's a big one. Woo!
Yeah. So it's worth falling in, doesn't it? Yeah.
Things are starting to happen, boys.
Yeah. Get a foot window.
All right,
2 o'clock foot window.
we're gonna get this baby unhooked and get her back.
Yeah, it's a big one.
Probably getting close to 30. No, high 20s?
I'm gonna get, yeah, I got it.
They're getting the tape.
You're getting the tape. I can't believe I fell through.
I
That's the first time I've ever
I thought you
fallen.
went through a hole.
No, so did I at first, but then when it kept giving out, that's the first time I've ever fallen through the ice.
That's a long one. That might go 30. Oh, 31.
31.
31. No! Here she is. Pick up some B-roll for me, Ratchy. 31-inch pike. Let's go get her back.
Yeah. No, we could have waited. 31 inches.
That slow-mo is going to be minty. Kicked off. Oh!
Woo!
It's been a long day, boys.
Yeah, it's been a really long day.
All right. Let's keep fishing.
Why there's so much line?
Ratchy, we got more shiners.
Yeah, we got line around you.
I gotta go see that hole.
Boys, it's on fire. So basically, I haven't talked to you guys too much. We've kind of just been messing around. We have 15 tip-ups. Well, actually, now we have less, but Ratchy's got his kids, and then I'm out here, so we're allowed to have that many. We've got them set all over the pond, and for pretty much most of the morning, and then I got here, we had one flag off, which you guys saw, and his kid got a nice pike, and then we went back over and we found this tiny little pond, and as you guys can see, we've been freaking hammering them. We've got some jumbo shiners. I had one really big bluegill. It's been pretty freaking on fire. So I think I'm gonna go back over there. We're gonna jig up some more fish because it seems like that's just the fire spot. I'll show you guys how big it is. You could literally like spit across it. But we're gonna let these flags sit some more. Super Bowl Sunday, but it's heating up pretty good. So I'm gonna put you guys away. I'll hop back on the chest mount and then we'll go jig up some more. And boys, it's just a good day. Well, you guys saw the footage. I'll play that in slow-mo right now. That is where Ratchy went swimming. Well, you got him. Oh!
Oh, I took my last one. I go, no bait, no bait, no bait.
Hey! It's a bass.
Bass.
Oh, you got a bite on him.
Oh, wow.
That's a good one. Come on, bud.
Other way. Other way.
Tip up.
We got a tip up.
Jesus!
Leave your poles out, baby.
I'm sick of running.
Stay to the left.
Catch your breath. Oh, yeah. Oh. It's on, it's on. It's on. I felt it. Oh. Got him? Oh, he's around me. Woo!
Bass.
Oh, it's tiny bass. Tiny. Tiny. Oh, God, it's down there. Gosh.
Watch that line there.
He's like, help me.
Hold him up.
Help me.
Nice. You want a picture?
Sure.
Another flag.
Another fight. That one's fun when I saw it. Wait, slow. I can see it.
Nothing?
Nothing. Hit and run, maybe?
Well,
Maybe
the hole sure is churned up.
Oh, you got a flag. Oh, I need. God. It's mine? Ah!
False alarm!
I'm gonna have a heart attack.
We got a flag.
Oh my god. Hey guys! Oh, it's spinning, it's spinning.
Yeah.
Oh, it's spinning!
Whoa!
It's spinning! Oh, mud came up from the bottom.
Give her the gears.
No.
You got him?
Yeah.
You got him.
Yeah, he's there. He's there.
Clear your line.
Slow,
Your left
slow.
hand. Clear your line with your left
Oh,
hand.
whoa.
Big bass. Huge bass. Woo!
Yeah! Let's go!
I got a scale, Ratchy.
Second bass this weekend.
Have a look at that. Oh, unit. Oh, you want to win? She gone. She's on. Whack it, Ratchy.
Take it right away.
Yeah. As soon as it's spinning, if it pulls back, just whack him. Got him?
Son of a
What the f?
Sit. Where's bass?
sneaky. Out of his butt. I don't care if he partially digests.
Flag. Oh my god, Ratchy.
No way! Crap.
Oh my god, Ratchy.
This is gonna be good. This is the one.
Oh my god, Ratchy. Should I hit it right now?
This is the one. I think we need a bigger.
I'm running out of line.
I think we need a bigger hole.
Got him. Oh my god, Ratchy. That's a giant.
Oh my god. Oh my. I think we need to.
Ratchy, that's a giant.
We need a bigger hole. Somebody slow down, slow down.
Holy crap. Ah! Ratchy, it's a freaking spider. Did you see that? Did you see that? Ah, Jesus Christ.
This is gonna be good. I have this.
It's on the 50 pound. It's a giant, dude. It's a giant. It's a giant, dude. Oh, it's a giant. Oh, never mind.
Oh, what? That's it? That's
So
it?
big, dude.
We're not really eating.
I thought it was a giant, but can you see the shiner? No shiner down his throat, but that was on one of the jumbos.
Damn.
Oh, we're on again, boys. Woo!
At 30 minutes in the clock.
All right, we're gonna get this hook out. We're gonna take a couple pictures and then poke him back in.
Yarn.
It's the 28.
28? What's the girth?
Little 28, but if you guys saw the shiner, I think there's another one in there. I'll show you in a second. What's the girth on him?
11.
11 on the girth. All right, let's get a clean release on him. Let's get him down. Slow-mo.
Grab the shiner.
Kicked off.
Yeah.
Wait, show him shiner.
Yeah, show him that. That's the bait that it came off of.
Personal best fish. Personal best fish. Another one.
I thought it was like a 40, dude.
Yeah, I'm just like.
All right, everybody, so you just saw that fish come off, that jumbo shiner. Honestly, today's been pretty good. We're getting a little bit closer to the end of it. So basically, we were actually fishing in a tiny little pond on the other side of this huge like connection of ponds. And one of Ratchy's kids actually pulled up those shiners and he got like 3 of them. They were absolute jumbos. Put it on a tip up. It kind of went off once and it was just the actual shiner that set it off. So then we had another flag next to it go off. Ratchy had that one, nothing on it. And then as soon as we like finished with that one, mine went up and it was ripping. Hopefully you guys can see it in the GoPro footage or something. But that was a nice fish and it was on a huge shiner. So we're winding down on the end. I'm probably gonna end up doing my outro soon. It's been a super great day. And yeah, we've just been whacking them today. Some days are like this. It's crazy because the past 2 days have been an absolute struggle. But we're back on them now. Probably gonna do my outro soon, so I'll talk to you guys in a little bit.
Money hole. This is my money hole.
Money.
Come on.
Oh.
Come on, Dad.
The mix, then another one goes up and tail grab.
Oh, it moved the
It
whole
went that way.
We were just talking about this one.
I know. I was like, why isn't it going up?
Yeah, he's going.
Oh, it's there, all
Pick it
right.
up and
No,
just
I'm
start
gonna let him eat.
the strip line out so he can run.
Don't even care if it's halfway through his funnel. Halfway out his funnel, we're fine. I want to catch this setup.
Yeah, give him some.
It's off from the side that way. Go towards shore. Yeah! Giant bass.
That was a quick fight.
We don't need to.
Where was he? Right below the hole. Dad's on the board.
That's why he wasn't ripping. That's a good.
Another 20 more minutes.
Another 20 minutes. Just reset the clock for the kids.
Yeah. Release. Look at that big mouth. That's a large mouth.
Started off slow. Teo shows up. Buschfishin shows up. So do the fish. Flags were flying as soon as we got 300 yards away from them. That way we could run, get our exercise. Parents out there, have more kids. 3 tip-ups per kid. Odds were in our favor. What do you think?
Great day. We hid some stuff. We hid some stuff under there, but got some fish.
Everybody got fish today.
Everybody got fish today. That's a win.
That's a win.
And you guys will sleep like babies.
I'm gonna have to rewatch some of this footage, see how many fish we caught. But right now I'm getting ready to leave. I got some stuff to do. These guys are gonna stay out for a little longer. Hopefully there's another meaty in there. But I'll do my outro in a little bit. Hopefully you guys enjoyed so far, and I'll see you in a little bit. What's going on, everybody? It is Buschfishin. As you can see, I just finished editing this video, and I have to say, it was one of the more fun videos I've ever recorded. To recap, it kind of started off as a struggle. We didn't have many bites. We got out there until we started jigging. We found this tiny little pond. Ratchy drilled some holes. It was like deeper than anything we've seen, and there were fish in it, so we started pulling them up. I probably cut out like another 30 tiny bluegills that we caught and the shiners and stuff. But as soon as we started doing that, flags started flying, everyone got a fish, and that was probably one of the best days I've ever had ice fishing. I think there was one on Keys this last year that might be up there. But this was a really good video, and hopefully you guys enjoyed. I know it was a longer one, but me personally, I like the longer videos. It gives me something to watch for longer. I know there's been a little lull in posts. It's because I've been going fishing, and I wanted to start this series on the right note, and I went a couple other times and it just wasn't on. Until this time, and boys, it was fire. But if you guys want a sneak peek of what we got coming up, there's gonna be some of these videos coming soon. So I'll save that for another time. But if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Got a whole bunch more coming soon. The groundhog saw his shadow, so spring should be coming. I can't wait for the bed fishing, and I do have a really big surprise that has to do with that. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you all if you watched till the end. I'll see you on the next one.
Pain.